What's up guys, my name is Don Alabi and this is Ghanaian photography. I'll take you through my 2-light portrait session using a VFlat. In this setup, we'll use our key light, which is the Photobox 105 cm beauty dish with a Godox 8600BM in it on a C-stand. And then our strip box is fitted with the Godox SK300 Mark II. Both of these lights have the grid on the modifiers. Why? Because I want to restrict the bounce of light. I want to restrict how the light falls on our model. I don't want it to bounce all over the place, so that's why I have the grid on them. I'll be using my Nikon D750 with the Tamron 70-200 mm on it. The trigger I'll be using is the Godox X1T. For my settings, I'll let you know as we move on. Our lights are set, so let's take a test shot and see what we get. Pierrette, are you ready?
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's see what we can get. Come this way a bit. Yeah. All right. Let's see what we get. Lovely. Okay, let's have one more. The light is falling on her very well, but I think it's a bit dark, so I'll increase the power of the light and see what we have. Okay. All right, this looks perfect. What do you think?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, that's what she says, so she likes it. Now, this image is well exposed. Let me explain why I use the VFlat. I made this VFlat by myself. It's two-sided, one black and then one white. So the white side here facing her bounces light from the key light like this and then back on her. That's basically what it does. And as I said, the grid is on the key light to prevent the light from spreading all the way to the backdrop too much. And also the strip box over here has a grid on it to stop the spread of light in all directions. Let's take a couple more pictures and see what we get. Okay, Pierrette, let's get a few more. Okay. Lovely. Give me something wild. Okay, good. Awesome. So yes, something like that. Okay, yeah, straight like that. Good. Then look straight in here. Hold on. Yeah, let's do it one more time. Yeah. Same thing, but then yes, like that. Good. Hold on, let's have one more. Okay, that looks awesome.
This is nice.
This is nice, that's what she says. So the settings I'm using, shutter speed 1/160th, f6.3 and ISO 100. So you've seen the images on the screen. These are the results from using just 2 lights and a VFlat in this quick session. Let me know in the comment section what you have to say about this kind of setup. I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for watching.